Hi everyone. I hope you all are healthy, happy, and as enthusiastic as before. So here in EGMines, we offer you 3 stages of riddles, and as always, only genius can solve it all. Before I welcome you, let me explain about this video. So this video has 3 stages of riddles and brain teasers, which is again more than one type of brain teaser we are offering you, and you have to be super fast to find out the teasers or brain riddles. So let's begin with the stage 1. Can you guess the number of the creatures that you can see in the given photo? You have to be fast enough to find out the question or answers. I think I noticed. So there is no time ticking on this stage actually, but then I think it has 1 minute or so to solve the question. Have you noticed the creatures? Number of the creatures? You must have by now. So let's go with the answer. Okay, the number 1 is, I think you have already guessed, the penguin. The whole picture was of the penguin, and the second one is the boy leaning on the wall, and the third one is the big face of the Abraham Lincoln. So let's move to stage 2. Stage 2, number 1. So this photo, you have 60 seconds to solve the answer, and let me explain you the question. As shown in the image, there are 9 horses, right, in a square fence. By making just 2 square fences, can you make sure that 2 horses cannot meet each other without crushing the fence? Please go through the question one more time. If you're confused, then you can always pause the video and take enough time to understand the question and solve the answer. There is no rush. But then if you wanted to solve the answer in given time that we have provided, then it's off. So it can be solved as shown. Okay, please look at the video. Okay, I hope you already get it. It looks easy, but then before knowing the answer, it's quite, difficult. Okay, this is number 2, stage 2, number 2. So you have 60 seconds for solving this question. Which is the right charger for the cell phone? Your time is running out. Yeah. Okay, if it's A, then please remember, or it's B or C. Which is the right charger of the cell phone? It's a tricky one. So you have 4 seconds left. Please pause the video if it's not done. Okay, if you haven't guessed the answer, please check the image, which is painted on the green, like color. That one is the right charger. C, it's the number C. Okay, which charger did you select? Can you spot 5 differences in 2 images shown in the shown below? Okay, I spotted one difference. Yeah, I think I got it. Have you? To solve these kinds of problems, I think you have to be very, like observant. A minute observation is required. Otherwise, it's not very much, like so tricky or so difficult. You just observation. Okay, if you're done, then let's see. Please look at the circles marked in the picture on your left. Those are the differences. The toy plane direction is different. On the clock, number 1 and 2 is missing, and the third difference is the colors of the lamps, and the ribbon of the gifts is missing. Okay, dock is added in the gift section. Yeah. Now let's move on to stage 3. Okay, the question is, where did the missing person go? This is almost unsolved questions. This missing person illusion is actually enough to give you okay, let's have one test. In this image, there are 13 people hanging around, okay? If you haven't counted, then look at the numbers. 9, 10, 12, and the last one 13. 13%. Okay, now we're going to use the exact same image but switch the sides of the top of the image around a bit. Now count the people, number of the people. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, before they were 13, and now they are 12. So where is one person missing? Okay, if you notice properly, as we switch the top side of the image, so theoretically this would be the same number of the people, but then the 7th man's legs and the 12th man's hair combine to become grasses, whereas first man face merges with 9th man face. Please watch it properly, then you can find the answer. Did you notice? I hope you did. I figure out that much only, and I'm not sure about you. Do you have any other explanations? Please write in a comment. So in this video in particular, how many answers did you get correctly? Please write your score in comment. We would be happy to receive your comments, and it's always welcome. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe and share our other videos as well. So bye bye for now.